was 21. It was a very good year. It was a very good year for city girls who lived up the stair with all that perfumed hair. And it came undone when I was 21.
It was all a dream just a year ago, busting tables and serving food, but y'all don't hear it though. Now I'm on another level, but y'all ain't near it though. My soul bleeding on the track, so spiritual. It's a blessing, cause now rapping is my profession, yo. Set to detonate, I'm just waiting for my time to blow. White boy at first glance, but when I rhyme they know race don't mean a fucking thing the second that I flow. It's been a year and everything I said would happen has. While everybody that I know is out having a blast, I was right here in the studio busting my ass. It's been a year, I'm 21 but I feel
35.
yeah, and now I got this. I taste the blood, no one can stop this. Second I drop this, die-hard fans is finna cop this, while the rest of the world follows through fiber optics. I took my time, see I studied the game, learned how to rhyme. I was around drugs and gas, but never delved in crime. Had other things in mind, so I began to grind. First tape was a success, locally I got press, but I knew this one right here would run the world a mess, but I digress. A year ago, I was a youngin' in his room, staring out the window, looking at the moon, knowing it's coming soon. But today I bought this rocket ship in sonic boom, cause I am no longer a seed, homie, it's time to bloom.
¿Verdad que algo?